Casting. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the important concept of programming known as type conversion and typecasting, which means that is we are converting data from one type to another, and the process of converting data from one type to another is known as data conversion, and the process is known as typecasting. Why we are going to go for data conversion? So let us understand. In real world, you often comes within a situation that you have to convert liter to milliliter or vice versa, or kilometers to meters or vice versa. In a similar way, while we are working on programming, we are dealing with data, and there arise a condition that we need to convert data from one type to another. So why? Suppose I am writing a program in which I am trying to calculate addition of two numbers. One is a whole number, say I is equal to 5, and another is a decimal number, say j is equal to 10.5. So if I do it manually, my results comes to be 15.5. But when I do it in Java programming, Java asks me that data should be of the same type. So here a condition comes that I want to convert the data in one single format. And the conversion of data from one type to another is known as data conversion, which is divided into two parts. One is type conversion, that is which is done automatically by Java, and other is typecasting, which is done by programmer. So what is done automatically by Java? Let us look into that. That is type conversion. Suppose I am working in Java program, and here I have a variable, say int I equal to 10, which is integer type, and store 4 bytes in memory. And another variable, say double equal to d, and I want to assign value of I to d. What I will write? D equal to I. So it get assigned very easily or automatically by Java. Suppose a person is sitting on chair, and suddenly I ask him to be get seated on sofa. It is very easy for him because sofa is quite comfortable to him to sit. In a similar way, if we are storing some data in smaller space and we ask him to get stored in some bigger space, it is quite easy and comfortable. So this task is performed automatically by Java and known as widening conversion, and no data get lost because space is more, so the data get placed very easily in a bigger space, and that type of casting is known as implicit casting. Now I will go to another concept, that is narrow conversion or typecasting. As you know that we ask a person who is sitting on chair to sit on sofa. Now a person is sitting on sofa and ask him to come and sit on chair. What happens? His legs may get hanging. That is some discomfort may situation may come to him. So in a similar way, when I'm asking to convert large type to small type, that is say double D is a variable declare which is sharing a space of 64 bytes in memory. Suddenly I ask to sit at 4 bytes, that is a narrow space. So it is a discomfort situation to him, like from converting from sofa to chair. So a data may get lost as a person sitting on sofa comes and sit on chair, his legs get hang. So in a similar way, the person, my data will get loose. Suppose I'm storing 10.4, so my point 0.4 will be get lost over there. So this is very risky. That is, I have a possibility to get loss of data, and because it is very difficult to be get set it automatically, so I have to write a variable, say int I equal to int d. You can see I have write in a bracket a type in which I have to cast the things. So this is known as typecasting, and then I am able to perform this task, and this is known as explicit casting. So there is a comparison that typecasting is done automatically and narrow casting is done by programmer. Data is not lost in typecasting, type conversion, widening, and narrowing. We have to possibility to lose the data. No syntax is needed while the data conversion is done automatically, but type syntax, that is the type of data I have to mention before casting. Now you can see the conversion of smaller to larger is a widening, like int to double is very normal conversion, automatic conversion, and typecasting is like converting from larger value to smaller value. Now I am in ideal and let us perform type conversion practically. So first of all, I will declare a variable int I equal to 10, a type is integer, and I want to convert it to double D equal to I. It is a type of conversion which is known as your implicit conversion. It is an implicit conversion or widening conversion. So here I will write system dot out dot println and I will write D is plus D, and you can see output here. I just run this. D is 10.0, which is stating that we are declare a variable as an integer, and now our a variable get converted to an double variable which is storing. Say I have a variable double j equal to 34.67. You can see the variable is in double. Now I want to convert j to type int. I declare a variable int h equal to. In order to convert double to int, I have to write type of conversion before the name of variable. So I will write int and then I will write j. So this is a syntax of conversion. Then I will write system dot out dot println and I will write after conversion h is and plus h. Now I will print this. You will see after conversion is 34, my 67.67 get lost. My variable store value 34.67, which is of type double, and my output is in type int. So this is how you convert your data from one type to another. So we can convert both the concept of explicit conversion and implicit conversion. Thank you.